I know what you're thinking, this looks like trouble, right? But trust me, this isn't some reckless stunt. Our loggers have their own secret technique, and he's about to show you how to turn what seems impossible into something that looks effortless. Well, this just goes to show trees aren't as harmless as they look. There's always a hidden danger waiting, and the moment we let our guard down, that's when trouble strikes. Let's talk about the Komatsu 931 XC and C144, a powerful duo built to deliver. With a 255 horsepower AO power engine, it's got the muscle you need. The 180-degree rotating cab offers smooth control, while the C144 head cuts through tough conditions, boosts output, and protects your trees. A perfect blend of power, precision, and sustainability. This Premier Attachments root auger is a game changer. It's easy to use, fast, and safe. Say goodbye to the mess and noise of old stump removal, and hello to a cleaner, quieter, and more cost-effective solution.
There it goes! Oh, hell no. I don't know if I got it all or...
All right, folks, gather around, we've got a real nail-biter today. It's the Battle of the Titans, the ultimate chainsaw showdown, the STIHL MS661 versus the MS500i. These beasts are revving up to tear through a massive log, and only one will earn the crown king of the cut. Man, that's a tough climb. You can almost feel the strain on that Maker 600. But hey, that's what that D5 tractor is there for, to lend a hand. It's all about working together to get the job done, right? Let's talk about the Hockey Pilka 38 Pro. This machine is all about making your life easier. The Hockey Cut system is like having an extra pair of hands. Need to split some tough logs? No problem. This bad boy has 10 tons of splitting force, and with the AC10 system, you can say goodbye to messy chain adjustments. It's all about smooth, efficient operation. Judging by the results, I'd say I'll never hire them. They are totally useless. Oh, judging Man, that's a brutal climb. You can almost feel the strain on that Macker 600. But hey, that's why the D5 tractor's here, backing it up and making the job a team effort. Now let's talk about the Hockey Pilka 38 Pro. This machine is built to make your life easier. With the Hockey Cut system, it's like having an extra set of hands. Tough logs? No problem. This beast packs 10 tons of splitting force, and with the AC-10 system, you can forget about messy chain adjustments. It's all smooth, fast, and efficient. And judging by the results, yeah, let's just say I wouldn't hire that crew. Total chaos. Well, this is the reason why you should leave specific jobs to the experts. In a world of sleek tech and automation, there's something raw and impressive about those massive log trucks conquering the terrain. It's a reminder of the power of human grit and ingenuity. This 1947 Ford 2N, wow, a testament to American engineering. Notice the solid construction ideal for stump pulling. That flathead engine, simple yet powerful, delivers consistent torque. Proper chain placement is key, folks. Safety first. And with the right technique, that stump won't stand a chance.
Like the river all over.
You want power, you want precision, you want total control. The Pato PTH 1300/15M has it all, with a massive 1,150 horsepower Caterpillar engine. It crushes any wood chipping job with ease, cranking out up to 400 cubic meters of clean chips every hour. This machine is built for serious work, and with radio remote control, you're running the show from start to finish. Now that's smart engineering. This DIY wood splitter is a brilliant display of ingenuity. A 3-kilowatt motor at 1,500 RPM paired with a 1-32 gearbox and pulley system delivers serious torque, powering through even the toughest logs. All that from a simple 220-volt setup. Efficient, smart, and powerful. moments before disaster. The potential tension within each tree is a danger of and anticipate before cutting a tree. Drop a 1 in the comments if this left you speechless. Your support keeps the fire burning strong. Witness the unstoppable force of a 56-inch circular saw, a true beast that's been roaring for over 50 years. Watch as it tears through a 14-foot-long 33-inch cottonwood like it's nothing. Proof that real power never fades, only gets louder. Ever dreamed of turning logs into firewood with just a flick of a switch? The Bell 8000 circular saw firewood processor makes it happen. This 125 horsepower electric beast tears through logs with ease, delivering perfectly cut firewood in no time. Anyone in forestry knows speed isn't everything. The real strength of the AIRT 800 Raptor lies in its sustainable edge. It mulches stumps back into the earth, rebuilding the forest from its roots. That's how you grow a stronger, healthier woodland for generations to come. There's a saying, don't cut the branch you're sitting on. I guess the same goes for sitting on a tree trunk too. Luckily, this guy is okay. The Cat 323 isn't just a machine, it's a powerhouse. With a 172 horsepower Cat, C7.1 engine and a tough digging arm, it rips through roots and stumps like nothing. Built to last, it delivers top performance and keeps the job moving with minimal downtime. Sure, the old-timers will spin a yarn about white-knuckle drives through mountain passes, but what they really miss is the simple stuff. The rumble of a cab over the smell of diesel and pine needles on a hot summer day, watching the wind turn through the fields. Those are the memories that stay long after the keys are hung up. The RSL UK16. In Mark I tree, shear is a true game changer in forestry. Its powerful grip and precise cutting deliver unmatched control even on the toughest hardwoods. With full 360-degree rotation and low-pressure operation, it boosts efficiency without losing power. Built with top-quality components, this is a machine made to work hard and last long, an investment that pays off for years. Oh, the consequences could have been unthinkable without that helmet. Can we talk about how awesome that operator was? Seriously, nerves of steel. And that skidder went full beast mode. Give a skilled person the right tool and they can conquer anything. The felling of a colossal tree demands serious skill and precise planning. From the climb to pruning and clearing, every step carries its own risks. Conquered. The Jobo WP50. Woodpecker is a game changer for small-scale forestry. It's a versatile powerhouse handling both delimbing and firewood production with ease. Low oil consumption makes it perfect for older tractors, giving them new life. Efficient, versatile, and sustainable, this machine truly has it all. I've spent decades in this industry, and the TWF 180 is hands down the most formidable mulcher I've ever seen. Built like a fortress, it runs smooth and delivers results that make clients smile. Sure, at $36,000, it's an investment, but the time and labor it saves make it a smart one. Watch it crush that stubborn stump and you'll see its real worth. There's a certain beauty in watching raw logs transform into lumber. The scale and precision of these operations reflect decades of refinement and innovation. A powerful reminder of how far technology and resource management have come. Gisborne strategically located on New Zealand's North Island offers prime conditions for afforestation. Its favorable climate drives fast tree growth, while the gently sloped terrain makes planting and harvesting efficient. With strong forestry infrastructure and close access to a world-class port, the region is perfectly positioned for timber export. Introducing the Scania R770 V8, a truck that pushes the limits of size and efficiency. At 34 meters long, it's bigger than a blue whale and weighs in at 98 tons. Built for the wood chip transport industry, it cuts trip frequency by 30%, giving a major boost to Sodia power plant's operations. Wow, this machine is unreal. Its speed and precision are next level. The way those blades move is mesmerizing. Pure power and engineering perfection. If that adrenaline rush left you craving more, hit subscribe and stick around for the next extreme adventure. The world of logging is full of wild surprises, and we're here to bring every moment straight to your screen.